A little something, something, something like.
Good morning. I'm currently at a service station right now. I'm moving. You can see all my stuff is in the back seat. That's my exercise mat right there. Moving. My dad just gone to the toilet. My dad's driving. I don't drive. My goal is to learn how to drive. Yeah, so this is gonna be a moving vlog. I don't know how much I'm gonna film. Hopefully, maybe just unpacking and decorating the apartment and stuff like that. I'm really excited. It's my final year of uni. I can't believe it's my last year of uni. It's gone by so quickly, but I'm super excited. And yeah, I thought I'd quickly pick up the camera, introduce the vlog, and see how it goes. But yeah, I'm excited. So I've been so busy packing that I forgot that I was even like supposed to be vlogging. I've got a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I packed away a lot of stuff. The main thing I need to do is clothes and then just organisers. Like I want to get a wardrobe organiser for my wardrobe because it's quite a small wardrobe. I'll show you. It's that small, so I'm gonna have to improvise. I had to always put some clothes in. But I want to put an organiser here because I feel like it will help a lot. A lot. It needs to go because otherwise it's just a mess trying to fold clothes. And I'll put some clothes up here as well and whatever at the back. I need to put hair stuff somewhere. I don't know. I'll try. Storage is the main thing in this room. Other than that, it's really nice. There's a few things that we need to sort out. I'll be back. I feel like the background of my bed was nicer. There's a few things we still need to sort out, but we're going to go to IKEA tomorrow, so that should be fun, and get a bunch of stuff that we need. We need like organisers, for wardrobe, like cutlery organiser. I need to write a list because there's bare stuff. Oh, we need a microwave. We need to get a microwave. We've got a toaster and kettle today, so that's fine. So I need a microwave. There's a few things we need from IKEA, so we're just going to do a trip, and that should be good because I love going to IKEA. I love it. I need to water my plant because it looks like it's dying and I don't want it to die. That's about it, and I just need to organise things. Everything else is actually unpacked. So I've done quite well. I've unpacked all my kitchen stuff. But yeah, it's been a long day. I've been up since 5 in the morning, but I'm still not quite tired yet. I think it's the adrenaline of everything, so I feel like I'm definitely going to crash at some point. But before that I need to eat because I haven't eaten much today, which is weird for me. I know, but yeah, we're gonna chat more tomorrow when I'm more fresh faced because I need to wash my face. I feel like it's just dirty at this point now. But yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. I'll do a full tour like when we've fully got it decorated. I think, because I think that's best. Like seeing everything put together. It was going to be empty apartment tour, but we didn't. First of all, the viewing was online, and second of all, we moved in literally today, so I wanted to get stuff settled like the bed, and then I just wanted to unpack stuff, skincare, makeup, no, like basic stuff that I use on a daily basis or every other day. I just did it, so quite proud of myself. I did a lot. I'll show you guys should I show you guys the bathroom? You've already seen the bathroom. Show you guys the bathroom because I've done quite a bit of unpacking there. So this is the bathroom. Put my skincare here. So you can see, ignore my flash. And then the aesthetic. Put it on the toilet for now. Yeah, I've got my skincare in these two baskets. So it's my everyday skincare, and it's like masks, I don't know, whatever, random stuff. Obviously I use my deodorant daily. If you don't use deodorant, that's disgusting. I've got my little pads and cotton buds. Got to be for edges and sometimes eyebrows. I put a diffuser here so it smells nice. Here's going to be the hair basket. I need to put a few more things in here, but I've got some masks and deep conditioner, no, leave-in conditioner. Got some butters here, some creams. There's a few more things I need to add here. I'm not sure I've got enough baskets, but I will figure it out. But yeah, this mirror is wonderful. I love it. It's so big. I love it. Put my towels and stuff over there. But yeah, this is the bathroom. It's good that we've got our own bathrooms. I feel like that's so good. Oh, it's so shiny. Look how shiny I look. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow because I need to cleanse, eat, all that good stuff because oily skin. Morning. So today's Tuesday. I woke up really early. I woke up like 7:30ish. Stayed in bed till about 9. It's currently 10. Just showered. Currently doing skincare. Did I put this on? Yeah, I did. So today is, I don't know if I'm going to be going Costco. It's looking like I might be going Costco now because it opens at 11. Because my dad was going to go at 10. But he got there and they said it opens at 11, so you might as well come to my apartment first and then we'll go together. It's always like, my voice is always so groggy anyway. So yeah, and then obviously IKEA, as I mentioned yesterday. Done a wish list, so hopefully shouldn't forget anything. But I feel like we'll just see stuff and be like, oh yeah, that would be useful. Because we really want to try and make the apartment homey this year, especially because it's our final year of uni. We want it to look, I don't know, I want it to look like we lived here. We didn't just, you know, not decorate. We're gonna decorate and all that good stuff, so it's gonna be good. My voice is so croaky. Right, I'm gonna quickly do my edges because it needs to be done. Giving you the best of me, 'cause you said to me, you like, woo.
It's like home to me. I tatted your passport up, now it's looking like a long sleeve. Just know that was all me. And when you see Chanel, I wish that's how you saw me. That shit you tell Chanel, I wish that's how you call me. That raw shit, that honesty. Yeah. You know I love you more than all them niggas put together. And it's a lot of niggas trust, I put the lip together. And it's a lot just to assume we're meant to be together. You gotta live that shit for real, you can't just say whatever. You can never tell nobody that you held me down. If it was ride or die, then you should've been there right now. So I don't care how you're yelling at me. How much I gotta spend for you to pipe down? How deep I gotta dig for you to pipe down? All the things I've done up until right now. I need 1,000 pages just to write it down. Writing down these feelings, it's been overdue. Don't know how many pens it's gonna take to get over you. How much I gotta pen for you to pipe down? How deep I gotta dig for you to pipe down? Tried to run it back 100 times. The world is yours, but the city's mine. Can't believe you put it on your mother's life. Can't believe you told me it was ride or die. 'Cause you're not here, somehow you're still alive. True enough, I knew you from the other side. I set my expectations way too high. And I would listen to the lies that you would tell all night. Ace your eyes, what you be?
Hi guys, so we are about to go to IKEA. I'm excited. This is a simple everyday makeup look, but it's cute. I'm feeling it. It's the fit. Wait, can I have the glass? I want to do it with like the full effect. We said sophistication. Cheers. So we just got back from IKEA. I don't know how we spent the entire day in IKEA, but we did. We got some plants. Like Rarity got this plant. Rarity's my roommate, by the way. She got this one, and we got this one to go in the living room. It's quite big. So yeah, we need to find pots for them both, but we'll do that like another day because I don't understand how it's in the day. But I'll do a haul of what we got from IKEA. We've got some shot glasses. We've got 4. I don't know what the other 2 are. Right, so got some shot glasses, got 4, and then we got these like cocktail glasses. Open it. They're so gorgeous. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. Don't know how well you guys can see that, but there you go. I've got this little phone stand, so when I'm watching stuff whilst washing up, I can just put my phone here and just watch stuff, which is quite compact. I got a new frying pan because when I had before, it was no longer non-stick, so I've got this frying pan. Let me take this off. Got this frying pan. And we got basics. I didn't get anything with this that we didn't need, really, to be honest. Got this to put our dishwashing stuff in. Got a dish rack to put our dishes in and put this here. And then I've got some organisers. I did want to get a clothing rack, but it's not there, so Verity's going to get when she goes home because it's in stock in the IKEA at where she lives. So yeah, just gonna unpack. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the camera rolling so I can start vlogging around the house because I don't know if Verity knows I'm vlogging today or not. I don't know. She has got a YouTube channel, so yeah. I had to get bins as well, so we got bins. We did quite a bit today, the stuff that we needed, and then we'll just check to see what we didn't get today. We still need the cutlery organizer. We're meant to find one in IKEA, but it was out of stock. So Verity's gonna pick that up at the other IKEA as well. To dump it, but yeah. Excuse me. I think we're just gonna get situated and all that good stuff because it's still quite a bit we need to get sorted and decorate. We are both so excited to decorate, like so excited to decorate. But yeah. I'm back. Are you okay? Not joking. Okay. Wow, the camera's up. The camera's up. Hi. What, we're doing a haul? I did the plants, but I haven't done like everything. Okay. Got some organisers in a box. Little bins. It's quite boring water, it's basically yeah, the glasses, that's oh, I showed the glasses, but let's do like a little re-envision of what we did in IKEA. Let me go to this way. I got a shower caddy for my bathroom from the range. I've already got a dish soap. Alright, so Verity's left over. It's all just me on my sofa. Oh, it feels good. Oh, I've got my water. It feels good to be, you know, here in our place. We're slowly decorating. So much fun back here. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It's because I'm I'm awake, but I'm dehydrated. Because I didn't drink that much water today and I've got a headache from lack of water. So I'm trying to drink water now, but I need to edit. Because there's another vlog that I filmed like probably 2 weeks ago when I was still in Sunderland that still haven't finished editing. I did the rough cuts and everything, but I haven't added music or anything like that. So I should probably do that. Today's Tuesday, I usually upload on Tuesday, but this is probably gonna be Wednesday now. But it's alright. And I've organised my room quite a bit as well. I'll show you guys later. If you, number one, the washing machine's on. Number two, there was these people playing really loud music on MissZafro. Are they still playing music? Yeah, I can probably hear it. Why is the cable so far? Just look, it's so far away. I'm not sure if my laptop cable's in there. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna be doing like a few moving vlogs or like just apartment vlogs because there's a few more things we need to get and stuff like that. But I feel like I'll end this vlog. No, shall I end it? There's a few things. We've got the microwave today, so that's set up everywhere. When I'm feeling a bit more energetic, I'll just show you what we've got today. So I don't think I showed you everything. I didn't show you the microwave. Morning, it's actually the next day. My headache was not going last night, so I thought let me just show you guys what we got today for ending the vlog. My voice is always so raspy in the morning. I look a bit shiny, I think it's the light. Anyway, I've got this plant. So cute. It's a Monestra plant. So yeah, this is our joint plant. We're both gonna focus, so it's not focusing. We're both gonna take care of this plant. We need to get a pot for it, but this is our makeshift situation in the meantime. Then Verity got this plant over here. I think it's gonna go in her room or stay here. I don't know what she's deciding yet. Then we got some bins because we needed some bins to the kitchen, so we got these two bins, one for recycling, one for regular waste because we're trying to save the planet over here. And then we've got some shot glasses. I think I showed you guys this actually. I can't remember, but we've got some shot glasses because only 25p from IKEA, so might as well. Obviously, there's I showed. The bottle for water that's going to keep in the fridge. Got this phone stand, so when I'm washing up and stuff, that'll be really convenient. For a second I thought my phone is too big for it, but it just fits like this. And you can just watch your stuff, which is perfect. I think you can do it like this as well. Yeah, but I think the other way is more secure. I can't get my phone out. Yeah, the other way is more secure. About to cook breakfast. My new pan over here, and obviously we got the microwave. This is meant to be a good microwave from IKEA, so if you are moving and you don't have a microwave, I do recommend getting this one. It's £50, so quite affordable compared to other microwaves and stuff. And yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. I haven't shown you guys the organizers I got for my room, but I'll do that in a next vlog because I think this vlog it could be long, it may not be long, I'm not sure, but I don't want it to be too long. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll do a apartment tour once everything's, you know, together because I'm excited to do a tour. I'm excited. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you guys next one. Bye.